Hello, today I will teach you how to reheat pizza. This pizza without oil. So I will use a banana leaf. See, there already banana leaf here and a pan. First, we need to turn on the fire. I think it's better with low heat. And then wait till some smoke will appear, and then we put a pizza slice there like this. My mom will help me to flip the pizza. Wait till I think 1 or 2 minutes. Oh, for your info, banana leaf makes pizza slice didn't glue it with the pan, so we didn't need a oil there. Wait. And banana leaf with add some fragrance to pizza. Not oily smell, but good smell from natural grass. See, good and nice color there. Banana leaf acts like oil. Wait, feel it if it's already hot. Oh. If you think it's hot enough, just turn off the heat so we can reduce oil consumption and we get hot reheated pizza without oven. Thank you.